Let us go. Alright. Okay, it's working. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. This is my view. Hey, me. Look, how'd you get over there? Excuse me, coming through. Hey, stop pushing it. Oh. Time for you to get a watch. Oh, we found a corner.
What happens if there was like laughing?
Why do we have to wear gloves?
We used to not have to, but
We don't want to get smears on the wall. Then, yeah, I would feel bad if someone had to come in here and clean this. Alright, goodbye. Bye, love you. Mean it. Guys, you can't come the same way. Go separate ways. Oh, it's Fred. Fuck this. I'm not leaving Haley. Come here. Hello. Hi. Hey, guys. And then there's, oh, that's us too. Do you see us? I'm dancing. Shit, well, we did it. We did it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna go make some friends. Hello. 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 How are you? Asia! 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 I see you! Come here! Asia! Kelsey! Kelsey, get out of here! You're real!
We found the glasses. Oh my god, it was like.
Where'd you get them? Yeah, where'd you get them?
We just tried on those two people.
Oh, I'm gonna try them all.
It's really weird. Well, especially this
You're not real. Who are you? You are not my.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that banging?
Who is up on the roof? Who is there?
I see.